Hey guys, so if you want to make stuffed peppers, this is how you do it. Put it all together. You stuff your peppers. You cut the tops off and you stuff them. And all this is it's onion, garlic, white rice, sweet onion, salt, pepper, 3 cheese, Parmesan, Bertolli sauce on top, salt and pepper, and a little bit of garlic in it, and a little bit of lime. And then you cook it, you saute it all together. Once you've cooked the rice, then you put mozzarella on top. And you can pour the rest of your sauce down here so your pan doesn't, because you don't want the pan to burn underneath the little green peppers. Okay. We just bought this stuff because we have some little guys out there, some little hummingbirds out there that wanted to get in and eat these flowers. So we made a hummingbird feeder out there. And that's why that's on my cooking counter. And that's the hummingbird feeder right there by the lion. But as you can see, no little hummingbird in it yet. But he wanted those white flowers here inside my house here. So we're hoping he'll go and eat out of his new little feeder. But these are what it looks like. These are Selfie Girl stuffed peppers. I'm going to pour the rest of the sauce down here, and I'm going to save that for something else later. Like I could make spaghetti or something else with that later, or just serve that. Somebody might want to eat on bread or something, but you just take it like this, and then I'm going to pop it in the oven and let those cook. And again, they have some nice shredded mozzarella on the top. I'm even going to put a little bit more in this one, because that one was a little sparse. Take your mozzarella, put a little bit on top. And no, Selfie Girl hardly ever cooks. This is rare. But I wanted to show it because I showed it in a short and I wanted to show you guys all the ingredients. And again, it's so easy to make stuffed peppers. You just have to buy all the ingredients and you can find them anywhere. Just Google it. Love you guys. This is your Selfie Girl. Bye.